So I don't know. I always figure people like to see what other people eat. Well, I do at least. I have some almond milk. There's some skim milk for Lily. This smoothie crap for my protein. Shake in the morning. Chocolate milk. Sriracha. 2 of them because that's obviously not enough. Jam. Gripe water for Lily. Condiments. This stuff is the devil, but it's freaking delicious. Probably shouldn't drink it, but I do. Some vegetarian spring rolls. What's this stuff called? Cream cheese, pickles, dips, parm. This is such good yogurt. Buds, cheese. I know I probably should get vegetarian cheese or something, but whatever. I'm working on it. This is really good. It's like enojyy soy sauce, more parm, some pasta sauce, carrots, blackberries, tofu, ground beef shit, straight up tofu, eggers, celery, apples, broccoli, homemade pickles. What's that? Beets, tomatoes, peppers, spinach, kale, green mix, parsley, sorted spring mix, more spring mix. Okay, well that's that. And then I have kind of junky foods in here. Like these mama noodles are so good. These ones are chicken, so I'm not eating them, but they're veg. Vegetable crackers, granola bars, stuff. Tons of canned shiza. I know there's chicken noodle, but Lily loves it. I eat tuna. Lots of beans and chickpeas and whatnot. Delicious goodness. There's like chocolate pieces in here. Yummy. And then sunflower seeds. Some raisins. Oh my god. These are the devil. They're so good. So good. Yes, honestly, just more cracked rice, quinoa, couscous. Yep. That is pretty much what I eat. Oh, and then I eat cereals like Fruit Loops and Captain Crunch and stuff. Oh, and then bread, bananas, Earl Grey tea, avocados, lemons, and potatoes. I hope you enjoyed that. It's pretty boring. Okay, bye.